Dutch crypto companies score legal win in fight against $2.3 million supervision bill. The Dutch central bank shouldn't have made Binance successor Coinmerce and others pay for their money laundering registration, a Rotterdam court said. Dutch crypto companies including Bitvavo and Binance successor Coinmerce have scored a partial legal win in their fight against $2.3 million in fees imposed by Dutch regulators. The Dutch central bank DNB went beyond legal powers in charging companies to register for money laundering purposes, a Rotterdam court said in two judgments issued on Wednesday. The way in which DNB assesses registration requests is contrary to the scope of the registration obligation for crypto service providers set out in European Union anti-money laundering laws, the court said, adding that under current crypto regulations it is not possible to lawfully charge supervisory costs for the year 2021 to crypto service providers. The legislation is still consistent with general norms of good governance, and the companies should still be regarded as under supervision, the judges said. The ruling has no bearing on costs for 2020, judges said, and a separate legal case is still ongoing for 2022 fees. The Netherlands, which will shortly have to apply the EU's tough markets and crypto assets licensing regime, has taken a tough line on crypto firms, imposing millions of euros of fines on Coinbase and Binance for failing to register. Crypto exchange Gemini recently announced it's quitting the country due to DNB strictures, and Binance transferred its Dutch customers to Coinmerce as it did likewise. Patrick van der Meijst, president of the United Bitcoin Companies of the Netherlands VBNL, the industry grouping which coordinated the complaint, said his organization was pleased that the court has found that the registration obligation as resulting from EU anti-money laundering legislation has been violated in the Netherlands. The great costs of this should not have been passed on because they fall outside DNB's mandate, van der Meijst added. Financial regulators in Europe are generally not taxpayer-funded and charge operational costs to supervise entities in proportion to their size. Total crypto supervisory fees in 2022 were €2.2 million, $2.3 million, a number which increases each year, van der Meijst said. The DNB did not immediately respond to a request for comment.